Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Real quick, I want to say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you for any subscribers. Thank you for just anybody who comes in to watch my knife, my EDC content. I really appreciate it. Today, I've got an unboxing that is actually a warranty replacement that I thought would be cool to share with you guys of a knife that was one of my faves and had a little issue, but fantastic customer service is fantastic customer service, and Traditional Pocket Knives always delivers. So I am going to open this guy up. This will be short. Whoops. Using the old Amazon titanium butterfly knife. So what do we got in here? We got some stickers, and we got a knife. Alright guys, so what we have here is the Sea Riser Cutlery Traditional Pocket Knives Exclusive Hedgehog, the single blade Hedgehog, and this was in CamoCarbon Fluorescent Pink. They were out of the color, the Purple Cow, because they've been running that sale. If you guys have not had a chance to look over at Traditional Pocket Knives, I will leave a link down below. Comes with a couple of stickers. Comes with kind of a authenticity card, kind of telling you what it is, with all your dimensions here. And on the back gives you all the information about the warranty, which is excellent. And then you have this beautiful QSP Exclusive Hedgehog made for Austin over at Traditional Pocket Knives. And what makes it unique are the materials and the limited nature of you don't find them anywhere. Usually this knife, because I had the original Hedgehog first in carbon fiber, which was kind of a wavy carbon fiber. I don't know if you can see the color of this, but this is pink CamoCarbon. And I feel like if I want to, I can always switch out my scales from my busted up Hedgehog. But the thing about this is the walk and talk is exquisite. The blade is a deep hollow grind with a nice little splinter digger point. Probably one of the, if not the most functional size slip joint that I have. And it just makes for a great knife. I think this would be a great locking knife, just because the blade is, to me, so perfect for EDC use. It's a great cutter. It's a great slicer. Use it for food prep. Use it for detail cuts. Use the tip if you need to. Feels the hand beautifully. You've got nice contoured bolster, contoured scales. The fit and finish on this knife are absolutely exquisite. And you're picking up an M390 blade with premium materials at a very good price. I know there are a lot of different modern traditionals out there. All of them are great knives. I'd put the QSP Hedgehog up there with any of them. I love this knife. Let's do something real quick and let's get some paper. Because one of the things that is probably the most important thing, in my opinion, besides how a knife looks, is how it performs and how it cuts. And the Hedgehog is a slicer's dream. So if you get into therapeutic slicing mode like I do, and you like to cut cardboard, you like to cut paper, you like to just cut into stuff, this is a great knife to have in your pocket. Whoops, that was a cutter error. And then you've got this little detail point, which is just, I mean, what can I say except it is amazing. Let me get just a little bit of cardboard if I can find it right here. I'm going to take our little box without doxing ourselves. Cut through that tape. Whoops. But yeah, guys, the QSP Hedgehog Traditional Pocket Knives Exclusive is an absolute winner of a knife. M390, fat carbon fiber, titanium bolsters. Get a quick measurement on it because it's not a tiny knife, but it's not a large knife either. It fits my Troy Northwoods leather slip that my Jack Wolf was in just perfectly. But its overall dimensions 6.5 inches. You've got a handle of 3 3/4, a cutting edge of right under 2 3/4, and roughly a 3-inch blade. Really nice sharpening choil. Let's do this. Let's get a little of our KPL cleaner. And let's ease my OCD by getting that tape off the blade. Nice, nice belt satin. Just a beautiful knife. And when I was looking at the replacement that I was going to get, they've got a bunch of different finishes. A lot of them are sold out, but they've probably got about 4 or 5 different color configurations. And my Feel Good Jack is the pink. And I thought that this would be really cool, and I was right. I love the way the pink's kind of neon shining. I don't have, yeah I do. Let's see if this black light, yeah, it's very, very bright. I don't know if that's showing up on camera, but just really rich colors. Super, super stoked to have this, to have the Hedgehog back in my pocket. What I will do is I will take out my defective Hedgehog, because see, I can always switch the scales here. I had a spring go bad on this one. Nothing wrong with it. I'm going to keep it for parts, but I am going to take my warranty replacement, stick it in my Northwood leather slip, stick it in my pocket, and tell you guys thank you so much. I appreciate y'all checking out the video. I hope you found it informative, entertaining. You got something out of it. If you're here and you're so inclined, if you'd please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it would really help me out. Most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.